Hey guys, this is Max from TechFix, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to repair the screen on an iPhone 3GS white one, 32 gigabytes. I mean, it's all the same for all of them, so yeah. So this one's cracked, if you could see. So this thing won't really work because if you put it on and start lifting it, the screen will come apart. If it works for you, go ahead, try it. It's a lot faster than this. So this is what you have to do. There's 3 pins over here. You just have to go in there and pry it out. Be really careful because you could damage the digitizer. And if you don't really care about the glass, just break it off. You're not going to do much with it now, and it's going to be a lot easier. So just go around picking it up. I have to be patient with this. This is not that easy. Didn't make it really easy. Oh yeah, and be sure these screws are unscrewed on the bottom. With that, it wouldn't come out. So. Forgot to show you guys that. Because this iPhone doesn't have any screws, but now it does. So now it's going to be a little easier. So just pry it open. Be careful not to beat too hard. And here we go. I opened it, and be careful, don't yank it out all the way, because there's some connectors in there. There's 3 of them. First one's on top, you just get it on, hook it. And there's a second one. Then there's a third one. It's a cable thing. I don't know if you guys can see, but you need to get it, and you'll see this little black or white thing. You just pop it up, and it slides right out. Boom. Well, there's that. And then you get a heating tool. Like you could use like a light to heat it up and everything. Just put it on there and heat it up, or a little fan or something to heat it up. But this is broken, so it's not that big of a deal. I could just pop them all out. Just be careful not to damage the LCD. You could unscrew it if you want. Just get these sides, unscrew it. Quickly. There's 2 screws on one side, and 3 on the other side. And then there's one on top, right there. And it should come out. Don't force it out, just gently take it out. Alright, there you go. That's that. And then, see, there's still a whole bunch of screen stuff left here. This really is hard to repair. Careful not to cut yourself. And just make it warm and or something, or if you could take it out like this, just keep on doing this. Be careful not to damage the button. This glue here you could take off if you have any. You could order some. Yeah, it's that. And then there's another one I have. Once you do that, you just get the screen, get some tape around here. It's kind of comes and stuff like this. You just get it, just tape it on the sides, bottom, whatever, and then just hold it down for a while on all sides. Try to be careful, just hold it down really steadily. Just let it dry off there. Take it away from the heat source so it doesn't heat up. Put in something cold. Then let it dry, and then just go back in here, connect all the pins, and just lay it back down, push it in there, and just screw in the bottom. And that's all you need to do. Thanks you guys. Bye.